Crest Pumps got started in 1973 by my grandfather. He actually came up with the name Crest because someone told him he was riding Crest of the Wave, and so Crest Pumps was born.
We are a British manufacturer of chemical resistant pumps specialising in any area where there's a corrosive liquid involved. So pumps account for 10% of the world's energy, and up to 90% of those pumps are running inefficiently. If every single pump was to be running at its maximum efficiency, it could save the equivalent of 1 billion people's energy consumption. So here at Crest, we're working to make sure every single pump that we supply is operating at its best efficiency point so that it helps reduce its impacts on climate change.
The whole ethos behind the Crest Pumps R&D program is for increased efficiency and reduced power consumption. To that end, in the past year we've released our EOV range of pumps, which is based on our very successful ECC range.
We believe the EOV is so special because it is based on the renowned ECC that we have manufactured for 25 years, but with higher performance, reduced power and the same trust and reliability. The research and development for this project was mainly carried out on our flow simulation software that allowed us to try many different configurations before manufacturing the physical working prototype that you see in front of us today. We developed this pump first in mind to reduce power. The first thing we looked at was to redesign the impeller to improve the performance. We introduced a volute design to the casing to reduce the power consumption.
Everything that we're doing is all about energy efficiency, so we're working through our entire product range to make them more energy efficient, so they're using less power, which is going to save our customers costs and running costs, but also help reduce the impact on climate change. We're working on improving the energy efficiencies, and we're working on becoming smarter pumps as well. So everything is all about being connected and understanding when they're going to fail before they fail. So Internet of Things and communication in that respect.
Our company values are trust and integrity, striving for success and teamwork. Trust and integrity is important to us. Trust as an employer, trust as a company, and integrity in everything that we do. Sometimes doing the right thing isn't always the easiest thing. Striving for success is really important to us, to be the best that we can be as a company, but to take along everyone with us. So we want our employees to be the best that they can be and be successful in their own right.
I started 6 years ago back in an admin role, and I've now progressed my career through to marketing, doing different degrees, and it's something we're really passionate about, just to keep everyone in the company striving to their best abilities. A bunch of the sales team have also completed pump courses.
Teamwork is a really important value to us. It's about the whole company working together towards a common goal. We're a family business and we want to incorporate everyone in that.
In actual fact, it was never a planned to be a family-orientated company per se. In fact, I joined in 1976 for a 6-week summer job, and I'm still here. James had another career before he joined. He's really developed the company with magnetic drive pumps and a drive towards higher efficiency pumping.
Being a British manufacturer still holds a strong cachet for our export markets. We export about a third of our business across the globe, and to be a British manufacturer still holds that certain level of quality. And within the UK, to be a Made in Britain member and then and to work with other Made in Britain members, it just implies, again, we all work to the same high standard of quality and working to the same common goal of being the best that we can for British manufacturing.